have the variable r there. So I wanted to explain that real quick. If you think that makes sense to you, you can stop the video. If not, I want you to watch the video to hear, or this for this next part. Okay, so if you have $4,000 and want to save $8,000, so if you want your money to double, so $4,000 doubled would be $8,000. In 10 years, what interest rate would you have to have? And this is compound quarters. Continuously, compound continuously. I forgot to write that. So again, use PERT. So P-E-R-T equals A. So the principal would be that 4,000. So 4,000. Sorry, the sun is coming in my window now. Times E. Notice we don't have the rate, but we have the time. And then we want $8,000 in the account. So again, we're having to get this by itself because there's a variable in the exponent. So we need to leave this alone. And then we need to do the opposite of multiply. So it's the opposite of multiply by 4,000. Divide. Do 8,000 divided by 4,000 is 2. And then e to the r times 10. Okay, notice the base is e, so that's just the snail. The base is e, so since the base is e, I can just write natural log of 2 equals r times 10. So remember, you could write it as log base e, but it's the same thing as natural log. Sorry. Alright, so type in natural log of 2 is 0.69 equals r times 10. What's the opposite of multiply by 10? Divide by 10, divide by 10. So 0.69 divided by 10 is 0.069 equals r. Now, that's our rate as a decimal. On a multiple choice test, that's going to be an option, and it's going to have a percentage sign at the end. If I want to have the percentage sign, I would have to move the decimal once, twice, so that it'd be 6.9% would be our rate. So just to make sure that you remember to move the decimal, because you better believe that that's going to be an option, and you have to remember to move the decimal. Okay, so that's application.